Hello everybody, we'll discuss different rate of interest in successive years. Like the heading is successive years having different rate of interest. Means what? There may be, I have invested rupees 100, okay, for 2 years. Rate of interest for the first year was 8% and for the second it is 10%. If it is so, how to calculate the compound interest or the amount first? So amount is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 1, R1 upon 100 into 1 plus R2 upon 100. When it is only 2 years, I have written it twice, one with the 8%, one with the 10%. If at all it is for more number of years, you can keep on writing the 1 plus R upon 100 term as per the requirement. Now here in this, how would I write this? A would be equal to P into bracket 1 plus, what is R1? That is 8%, means this was the interest rate for the first year. Now for the second year it is 10% per annum. So you will write this. When you calculate this, you will get the amount for the total amount after 2 years. Okay, so you can get the amount directly. If you want to calculate the CI, then you know that you can subtract principal from amount and get CI. This is how it should be calculated when successive years have a rate of interest in this way, different rates of interest. Okay, after this we'll discuss finding a rate and time period. Okay, now how to find the rate and the time period? Now you all know the formula for amount, okay, that is to be used, that is amount is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Okay, now to make R only on the other side, what will happen? A, now P will be transposed this side. You will have 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Now you will have A and P in such a way that they will be equal to this number of years. It is till now, means in your syllabus at this point of time in 8th standard, you will get such questions wherein the number of years will be equal to the A upon P to the power what you are going to get. Now when A and P are written in the form of exponent, what you know, A upon P to the power, whatever power comes, that will be definitely equal to this n. Now sometimes it is not equal. How do we get it, ma'am? Now sometimes what will be the variation? I will tell you. Either it will be directly like that, you know that 121 upon 100. So what it is? 11 upon 10 to the power 2, isn't it? It may not be 121 directly. Sometimes it would be something different. What different? Now if this is there, do you 242, is it a square of any number? 242 is not a square of any number. Is 200 any square? No. Then how do I know that what is the correct square root of this number and this number? So try to find the prime factors of this number. You will come to know. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are. So again 121 means 11, 11 11s are 11 ones are. So what is the number which is what you know stopping you from finding the square? What it is? 121 is square of 11. How will I get 121 from this 242? If I divide this and this both numbers by 2, it will be 121 and denominator will be 100. So we can write 121 as 11 square, 100 as 10 square. What will happen at this point of time? See, 11 upon 10 bracket raised to square and 1 plus r upon 100 to the power, this also usually be 2. Now you have to use exponents uh, knowledge. What knowledge? If powers are equal, you can equate the bases. Means what? As the powers both are 2 and 2, hence 11 upon 10 can be equated with 1 plus r upon 100. So now you can transpose 1 to this side. What will happen? So 11 upon 10 minus 1 is equal to r upon 100. So 11 upon 10 minus 1 would be what? 1 by 10. So what will be? I'll show the calculations here. Okay, 11 minus 10 upon 10 is equal to r upon 100. Okay, what will I get? 1 upon 10 equal to r upon 100. If I keep only r on this side, what will happen? 100 will come to the numerator upon 10. So r will be 10. So rate of interest will be 10. So usually what you have to focus on is the amount divided by principal should come in such terms that its power should be equal to n. So you will be able to equate it. As the exponents are equal, bases will be equated and you get the rate of interest. Now after the rate of interest, it can be time period which can be asked. Now in the rate of interest also, it may be quarterly, it may be yearly, it may be half yearly, anything. You put the formula and respective numbers have to be substituted and you will get. If suppose the question is based on half yearly, then you have to write r upon 2 here and 2n here. If the question is based on quarterly, you should write r upon 4 here and 4n here. And as per the requirement, you should change these two and then work it out. Now if the time period is asked, I mean to say this n. Now even then, at that point of time, a upon p means p has to be transposed to the LHS, and what will happen after that? Now in such questions where n is supposed to be calculated, that time you will know r. So 1 plus r upon 100 will be something. Okay, a upon p will be equal to 1 plus 100 plus r. I will take a LCM and write nothing else to the power n. Now this bracket and this bracket are supposed to be compared, means it will be a bigger number, but by writing in terms of exponent, I wrote in the in the earlier explanation also, it is power. In terms of exponents, when we write here, this is not known to us, n is not known to us, but what we will find equal, will find bases equal. When bases are equal, power of this a upon p and n will be equal. You have to equate it with n. So you will find n with the help of the power what you get over here, where a upon p is there. A upon p are such numbers which can be converted into the exponent of certain number. Hence you get this power, that is the exponent. Exponents will be equated with this. Why? Because the base of this side and the base of this side will become equal. When the bases are equal, exponents can be equated and n can be calculated.